In these videos, I've been talking about temperature and weather data collected from Greensboro's airport, Piedmont Triad International Airport, in July and August of 2021. In the previous two videos, we used the quantitative data, the temperature data, to construct a dot plot and a stem plot. In this video, I want to take the qualitative data, the description of the weather for each day between in the month of July and before and on August 11th to construct what's called a Pareto chart, which is really just a bar graph for qualitative data. So I'm going to start with a table here that counts the number of times these different descriptions happened in this time period. And so these are all of the possibilities. I went through and wrote them all down. And actually, if you click on the link to the data, the second sheet actually takes these qualitative descriptions and sorts them alphabetically to make them easier to count. I've already gone through and counted them, so I'm just going to list the counts in this column. There were 8 days with cloudy weather, a single day that was recorded as foggy, 21 days that were mostly cloudy, 7 that were mostly sunny, 2 that were partly cloudy, 1 with scattered showers, 1 that was just called sunny, and then 1 that was recorded as having thunderstorms. And so I want to take these counts to construct that bar graph. So we'll put that data to the side just for a moment. I will need a horizontal axis. That horizontal axis will contain a description of the weather. And there are 8 different kinds of weather, so I need 8 spaces on this horizontal axis for a different description. And so I'm going to imagine starting here, and I'm just going to give myself spots for 8 bars. So the first bar is going to go there. I'll leave myself a little gap before the vertical axis. And then 1 more. The next one, so 1, 2, so bar here, here, here's 3. I need just a few more. So I'll get a bar there. Just giving myself some space between my bars. It's one of the key differences between the diagram I'm going to make here and a histogram that we've seen in classes. There are gaps between the bars. Or I guess said better, there can be gaps between the bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 1 more spot. And I've been keeping them, about 2 centimeters apart the whole way. All right, so that was, I just made little marks here to help me keep track of where the bars were actually going to go and where the spaces were. But now that I know I have enough, I'll be able to take care of that as I design the chart. I'll need a vertical axis. And that vertical axis is just going to give me frequency. And let's see, I have to count all the way up to 21 because those mostly cloudy days happened a whole lot. So I think just to make our lives a little easier, I'm just going to count by 5s here. And then we'll have to, use our best judgment for the height of some of the bars because not all of the exact figures are going to show up. So my first bar is going to go right here, and it's for the cloudy days. And there were 8 of those. So I need to go up to where 8 would be on this graph, which I'm going to say 7.5 and 8 would be right about there. And of course, the more accurately I could do this, the better. All right, there was 1 day that was foggy. And so I just need a bar that would be 1 unit tall. And there's my foggy day. Mostly cloudy. There were 21 days that were mostly cloudy. So this bar goes all the way up to where 21 would be. Of course, if I wanted to do this very well, I should be using the ruler for all the sides of the bars and taking my time to do it, but nothing too tricky here. All right, the next category in my table. So that was mostly cloudy. The next one up was mostly sunny, and there were 7 of those. After the mostly sunny days, there were 2 partly cloudy days. So that should be just twice the height of that one. So we're just gonna say about there. Then after that, I have 3 types of weather that all just occurred once. There was one day with scattered showers, one sunny day, and one day with a thunderstorm. Scattered showers, a sunny day, and then one with a thunderstorm. Each bar being 1 unit tall. All right, and again, all graphs should get names and titles. So this was weather type, in July and August of 2021. In Greensboro, North Carolina, recorded at Piedmont Triad International Airport.